Hello everyone, good morning. Student here Gopal Srivastava. I am taking your science classes, and today student I will discuss your some exercises of chapter number 4. Chapter number 4. Your chapter number 4, what is the name of chapter? Matter and its states. So student ready for the write down the exercises of this chapter. So let us start the chapter number 4 exercises. Okay. So take the all your materials, means the fair copy or homework copy, and take the pencil, eraser, sharpener, pens, and black pen, blue pen, etc. So student, hope you have already completed your all exercises and learn properly of the given exercises of the chapter number 4 in the book. So let us start. Student, I am going to take the book also. Class 5th, subject science, topic exercise of chapter number 4. So student, I will not write down the name of the chapter because it is understood. Our board is so very small, so try to understand. This is the name of the chapter of 4th is matter and its states. It is date 24th August. Okay. Open the page number 48. There are two exercises already completed, chapter first and second of this chapter. Choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. Today I am going to start the true and false. And why true and false, I am also explain the explanation behind this. Third, state true or false. Or false. Also correct the false statement. Also correct false statement. Okay, so there are 6 true false are given in point third. So answer first I am going to read this. The way particles are packed in a substance decided the state of matter. All matter students know the made up of the small particles called the molecules. So it is right that the way particles, the arrangement, the particles packed in a substance decide the state of matter. This is true. Answer second. The conversion of a solid into a gas on heating is called expansion. Student, first of all, expansion is the behavior of the matter, and solid into gas is the changes of the states. So this is not a true statement, this is a false statement. False. Also correct the false statement. The conversion of a solid into a gas on heating because it is a students, solid and into gas. Conversion of a solid into a gas on heating is called expansion. No. It is called sublimation. Suppose camphor, when we burn it, it is direct converted into the gas. But in your book, there is no examples of the sublimation. So solid, when solid change into the liquid, this is called melting. When water, this is liquid form, water convert on the gas, this is called evaporation. So in question, solid into gas, direct, solid into gas. So because it is a sublimation process. Okay, sublimation. Because in your book changing of states, all physical changes like evaporation, condensation, melting and freezing. Evaporation, liquid change into gas, condensation, gas converted into the liquid, and melting, solid changes into the liquid, and freezing, a liquid changes into solid on cooling. And in your concept revised, there is no any sublimation examples are given. Melting, changing of solid into liquid, expansion, evaporation, changing of liquid into gas. So write down the sublimation example come for. Okay. Answer number 3rd. Sugar, sand, chalk, sawdust. Student, sugar soluble, sand, chalk and sawdust are insoluble in water. Sorry sir. First, I am going to solve the third answer to first. Third. In the solution of sugar and water, sugar is the solvent. No student, solvent, sugar is the solute particles, whereas the water is the solvent. So in the solution of sugar and water, sugar is the solvent. First write down the false. because sugar is the solute. Answer 4. Understand it. This is the true statement because okay, because instead of this word you can write down the true statement is it is a sublimation process, because you can write down instead of because the true statement is the true statement sugar is the solute particles. Fourth, physical change are mostly reversible. True. TRUE, because all physical processes are carried out reverse in direction. Sorry, answer number 4. I am going to write down the wrong. I am telling the explanation of question number 5. Fourth, nitrogen is a fairly soluble in water. No student, only oxygen and carbon dioxide. So nitrogen is fairly soluble in water. False. Because nitrogen does not DISSOL dissolve in water. Now answer number 5. Fifth is physical change are mostly reversible. Okay, true. No, add any statement. Only solid expand on heating. No, all the states of matter. Okay, solid, liquid and gas. All matters expand on heating. Answer 6. False. Because all matter expand on heating. So this question answer you should write down in your fair copy. First write down the question, then write down the answer. Question number 1, answer number 1. Question number 2, then write down answer number 2. Don't write in the book with the help of pencil. Okay, student? You should write down in your fair copy. And I also told you in the previous classes that also write down the key terms before the write down the any exercise, any question answer in the fair copy. Key terms very important. Okay. So write down all the true false in your fair copy. If you write down neat and clean, you can direct write down in the fair copy. Otherwise, you can write down in the homework copy. My homework copy and classwork copy is same. Now student, I am going to read the next question. Put the odd one out giving reason. So this question also in your fair copy. So write down in the fair copy first question, then write down answer. Okay. So student, now I am going to wrap this. Put the odd one out giving reason. Fourth, put the odd one out giving reason. So write down question first and answer first. Okay. So I am not going to write down the question. Fixed shape closely packed particles rigid in different volume. So when the particles are fixed, closely packed, rigid in different volume, so in different volume is not correct word. So the odd one out will be in definite volume. INDEFINIT BOLU because the given three features of a definite volume of a student. I am already told you that my answer is not a universal answer. There is so many reasons. So you can write down in your own words. But I am trying to write down very easy and which is learned by yourself very easy way. Because in different volume this is not true, because the given three features means fixed shape, closely packed and rigid are the three features of a different volume of a solid. And add one word solid. Question answer number 2. Evaporation, condensation, melting, digestion. Student, evaporation, condensation, melting and digestion. So digestion is the what is a chemical change, and all the rest three are the physical changes. So write down. Digestion, because rest are REF referred to physical change. Physical change. This is understood. Digestion is chemical change. Question answer third. You can write down the if this is the hard word referred related concern or example. So you can write down the example or related to physical changes. Sugar, sand, chalk, sawdust. Sugar, because rest are insoluble in water. Question answer number 2. Burning, cooking, growth, freezing. Burning, cooking, growth, freezing. Burning chemical, cooking chemical, growth is a chemical. Not, you cannot say the chemical. It is irreversible change. Physical change and chemical change. Freezing. Because rest are examples are chemical change. Okay. Write down, student. Question answer number 5. Last. Expansion, contraction, reduce size and cooling. Expansion, contraction and reduce size and cooling. Student, expansion, contraction, reduce size, it is the behavior of matter, and cooling and heating is the what is the physical method by which we can change the one state of matter into the another state. Okay, so write down the cooling. Because rest we are referred to behavior of matter. Because rest three are referred to behavior of matter. While cooling is the physical change in which the one state of matter is converted into another state of matter. But in behavior there is no changing of their state. Only their size there. What will be expanded or contract or reduce or increase. Okay. Question. Now student, write on the homework. Write today's exercise in notebook and learn it. Okay, this is understood. Today's exercise. Today I am explaining the exercise of chapter number 4. Okay, so write down today's homework of science. Okay, student, class is over. Thank you for your cooperation. Have a nice day.